This is now the jam speaker, and looking back in my videos, I bought it on December 23rd, 2017. So I made it a year. And you say, what happened to it? It fell off my forklift and I ran over it. So there you go. It worked great. It lasted about 3.5 hours after a full charge, and they say it's only good for about 30 feet away from whatever you're streaming from. Well, I got news for you: almost 400 feet, and probably about 250 to 300 feet with stuff around. About 400 feet line of sight. So I was really impressed. I picked it up at, where did we get this? I got this at Kohl's. I got it at one of the Kohl's sales for $10. So it was great. This is the cover. Part of the sides. Here's the speaker. Unfortunately, I flattened that speaker, so there's nothing left we can do. That's the side of that. Lots of rubber. Okay, it's coming out of its case. That's the bass. That's the bass speaker. So it was there was a bass speaker in here. So it was there was two speakers. There was a bass. There's your rubber. What bounces. So yeah, I did a job on that. Did a job on that speaker. Got a magnet now. That's that. Rubber outside. More. That. And there's the bottom. There's your battery pack. There's your plug, and it was earplug plug, which was on the bottom, which a lot of times, because there's a couple of bolts on my battery lid, sometimes it'd get sitting on that battery, on that bolt, and you'd rotate it, it would jog back and forth, and the woman would say, turning off. And then turning on, turning off, turning on. So there is a virtual woman who tells you when it's turning on and turning off. So fortunately, I got to bury her. She's here somewhere. So it was a good. I recommend it if you ever find one for $5 or $10. The thing is, they're coming out with every day, so these are getting cheaper and cheaper. Basically what you're looking at is size of the speakers and life of the battery once it's charged. So this says it was good for about 4 hours. Well, if you crank up the volume on it, it's only going to last you, of course, less time than if you just, the minute it hooks up. And it never had a problem hooking up to my Galaxy 7. So there we go. That was dissecting the jam speaker, and I totally recommend it if you come across one. Again, it's gonna, there's your button selectors right there, because they're hooked up. They line up with that. So there's your positive. There's your standby, or click it more than once and it's gonna change your music internally. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next. I just bought it, and it just bought it.